the following counties in Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Tippah County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Etta, or 10 miles west of New Albany, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hickory Flat, Shari, Proville, Graham, Myrtle, Old Myrtle, Pumpkin Center, Blue Mountain, Baker, Keonville, Locum, Etta, Smallco, Glenfield, Cotton Plant, Union Hill, Martintown, Concord, New Albany, and Ripley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern and northwestern Mississippi. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Benton, Tippah, and Union. Tornado watch number 303 remains in effect.